So Mairéad, here we are at the Dome at the Fleadh,
Yes.
another Fleadh. How do Alton feel ahead of tonight's gig?
Oh, we're very excited, like two Donegal bands. It's like going to the All-Ireland football match, really. But it's brilliant. We're really looking forward to it, and it's get to me, Aaron. You know, we're really excited, and we hope to have maybe some of Clonard up at the very end as well, and that would be great fun.
So you're playing on the same stage as your old buddies Clonard,
Yeah.
and somebody told me this hasn't happened before, has it?
Never happened before. You know, we never. Well, Clonard kind of, I suppose, wasn't playing as much when we were travelling, and we always kind of missed out on festivals. When they were playing festivals, we'd be playing other festivals. So this is the first time it's actually got together, and it's something we have been talking about for a long, long time. So, you know, watch out, world! It might happen again.
You've a new album out, I know,
Yes.
Glan Niamh. How's that going with you?
It's going really well. We're getting a lot of response. Like Glan Niamh means the poison glen, but it also can mean heavenly glen. So whichever mood you're in, you can use whatever mood you're in. But very, very pleased with it. Very pleased with the album, and very pleased with the response and the critiques up until now.
I presume we'll hear some tracks from that during tonight's live broadcast.
Of course. And it's only an hour that we're playing, so we'll be choosing what we feel really that our audience would like to hear. So we'll try and think of all the stuff that people like. So maybe they should write into our website and tell us before that, or the Facebook site.
Absolutely. This whole thing, this is your third or fourth time, I think, on Livetrad. How have you sort of felt about the whole thing of going viral, if you like?
I love it because, you know, a lot of friends of ours all over the world kind of respond, and they're the ones that are looking in. So hello to all of them, and it's very good. It kind of gives people the sense of being here at the Fleadh when they couldn't maybe afford to travel, we say, from the States or from France or from Germany or Japan. So it's nice to be in contact with them with our music.
Gur míle maith agat.
Gur maith agat.